How to add a title to a subtask in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply search asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this home option, and then in here it will show us all the tasks that we have on our account. So as an example, I'm going to tap on this task here, and then after that, we'll have to scroll down, and as you can see here, I only have one subtask. So in here, keep in mind that once you create a subtask, you can automatically add a title. So as an example, I'm going to create one. To do that, tap on this add subtask option, and then in here, we can now type our title. So as an example, I'm going to type here, set a reminder for meeting, and then after that, as you can see here, I now have a title for this subtask. If I want to edit a title for a subtask, all I need to do is to click on the subtask, and then in here we can now edit this one. So as an example, I'm going to edit this to call members to meeting. And as you can see, that's how easy we can add a title to a subtask in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.